Hi guys, thanks for joining me. It's Lynette here, and today I have my latest in beauty. It's the Oh So Natural edit for April. I did have a 12-month subscription which I paid for last year, and it had run out. It was for 6 items. I think it was a bargain deal of like £99 for 12 months, which I couldn't resist. They didn't seem to have anything around the time that I had to renew my subscription, so I didn't have anything in March, so this is my first box. However, I have taken it slightly later in the month, which is always a bit of a pain, so I have to make that decision of next month, do I order slightly later again, or do I tip it over into the next month so I get the choice of them? I don't know. We'll need to wait and see. Anyway, I've got a 9-item box, and you can get 369 items. I think they vary from £9, £15 and £18. If you subscribe, postage and packaging is free, and that's the price that you pay when you subscribe. You can cancel, and you can go up and down, so you can change from 3 to 6 to 9 or 9 to 3, however you want it. There is only a certain point in the month that you can cancel, so if you do plan on getting a one-off box and want to cancel it, then make sure you go in and do that. I think it might be a week before you're due to pick, but check that out on the website. So anyway, the Hall of Fame item this month was a Molten Brown product, and that's the only thing I can actually remember ordering. I know that there was a lot of good size products, which Latest in Beauty are really good at. They're really good at letting you try lots of new products, and they're not regularly sample sizes. However, sometimes they can be, so check that out. So for example, the shampoo cubes I got were the size of sugar cubes, and there was 3 in the packet, so that was one pick, which I was a bit disappointed in, but it was my own fault. Anyway, gonna go into the box, dive into the box and see what we've got. The first item here, when I talk about good size, look at the size of this. It's massive. So it's Kind Natured. It says it's the brand with a big heart, a lime and mandarin. You know how I love anything citrus. Uplifting body wash. And it says put a spring in your step with a fresh and energising citrus hit. 99% natural, vegan friendly. And it says something about gentle effective formula. So there's 250 mils, and that's it there. There's an uplifting body wash, and yep, I never tried this before, Kind Natured, but I'm looking forward to giving it a bash. There we go. I can't see the bunny, the cruelty-free bunnies, which is a bit disappointing, but I could just be missing it. Sometimes I miss it. But anyway, I would imagine a brand like Kind Natured might be, but they just say vegan friendly, they don't say cruelty free, so I need to check that one out. The next item I got is from Botanics, and it's all bright with hibiscus purifying face scrub. It's 75 mils. I really do love a face scrub. I only use it a couple of times a week, unlike my friend Lisa. Lisa, you use it twice, I think twice a day, but I think she might use it twice when she's using it. So it says here, buff away dull skin in seconds with a tri-blend oil, exfoliating agents, microfine particles of walnut shell, crushed apricot seed, and refining AHAs from hibiscus plant. Skin is left feeling clean and smooth and looking radiant. So this is cruelty free. I can see the little bunny, and it's 100% vegan. And I'm just going to put some on my hand, have a wee weirdo sniff of it. It's for all skin types. It's got a light scent. I know a lot of people don't like putting things on their face that's highly scented, but it just has a slightly light scent, and it's got a nice, it actually is a nice scrub, quite fine, but the walnut shell in there is actually, yeah, it feels like you're getting a good scrub, but it doesn't feel harsh. The next item I've got is a brand that I love, and I first found it in Latest in Beauty. It's Ayumi, and this is neem and tea tree face cream, and it's the Ayurveda Ritual. And again, this is 100 mils, which I thought was a really good size. It's moisturising and mattifying for normal to oily skin. It's got shea butter, avocado, moringa and lavender oils, and it's cruelty free and vegan, which I think is fantastic when and it's actually got two, it's got the leaping bunnies and the bunny, so I really like it when they do that. I'm going to open this up. I've given my son quite a lot of these products actually. I think Stephen likes the face scrub from this brand. It's the purple ones. I don't know what the mix is. I'm just wondering if I can smell anything. Oh, I can smell the tea tree. That smells absolutely amazing. And I imagine that would be quite refreshing. Yeah, that's lovely. So 100 mils there. So those were the kind of items that I was looking for. The skincare. I really do like skincare products. Now the next item is rather small. And I don't think I'd realised it would be. I knew it was small, but not as small. So it's the Jarlique, and it is Rare Rose Gel Cream. Now I really love the Jarlique. I think it's an Australian brand, and I've got quite a few of them. I mean, when we got the toner from Jarlique in the Latest in Beauty box, it was massive. But I knew this was small, but I just didn't think I appreciated how small. And the next one is Supreme Restorative Rich Cream. Now these will both be good to actually take away if you're going away for a few days with you or a weekend. So I will keep that for when things get back to normal and I might be travelling for work and bits and pieces like that. I'll show you the Hall of Fame item, and it's Heavenly Ginger. So it's the bath and shower gel and the body lotion, and I absolutely love these. Now what you can also do as well is what I'm starting to do. Oh, they smell amazing. Is put away items like this. If I don't use it myself, putting it in like a kind of little gift hamper or a gift box. Last year I did a beauty advent calendar for my sister, and Freya said she wanted one. So I actually do, my friend kept her John Lewis advent calendar box, and so did I. So I'm going to make one up for them. But Freya loved her mum's. I think she pinched quite a lot of things that was in the box. So this is another kind natured product, and it's ginseng and grapefruit, and it's a brightening jelly face mask, and that's 100 mils. And you know I love my face masks. So I'm just going to pop some on my arm because I've put the, oh, it's clear, it's a clear gel. Do you want to see if it's got a smell to it? Oh, it smells amazing. It smells like a spa to me. Yeah, it smells really nice. You can really smell the grapefruit and the ginseng. Oh, that's lovely. I think that would be nice and refreshing on your face actually. It says it's brightening, so looking forward to trying that. This wee box is like Christmas. Oh, and because I've resubscribed, they have given me the Latest in Beauty beauty bag, the little bag that you get. It says I came, I saw, I contoured. I'm building up these, but I think it's nice to put together little gifts for people as well, to have these little bags. And then I've got two more items here. One is the Polar Night Cream, which is absolutely gorgeous. And Charmed, I think I sent my last one to Charmed Wench, so I might actually pop that in the post to Marie. I actually thought about her when I picked it up, because she loves the Polar Night Cream. And last but not least is, I know I shouldn't be adding any more nail polish to my selection, but this is Quick Dry High Gloss Long Wear, and it says Beauty UK Nails. And what colour is it? It says B. B-E-B. Ultraviolet, that's a colour. I thought it was ultraviolet. Now I'm going to pop it on. I've chipped my sparkly blue nail polish. So I'm going to just pop it on over it. I know you shouldn't do that. I just want to see the colour just over the blue. I like that. It's a colour you could wear kind of probably all year round. So that's it there, if you can see that. And that's over the blue. And that was just 2 coats, and look how glossy it is. Oh, I like that. I will strip away my nail polish and put it on in full. So anyway guys, that was my fantastic box this month. I'm kind of blown away. I know there was a wee bit of controversy over, I think the strawberry bye-bye oil, and Latest in Beauty did come on and say that it was the colour of the batch, because mine was clear and other people had said that theirs was nowhere near that dark colour. But Bye Bye have apparently said that that was the colour of the batch. I don't know, I would be a bit reluctant to use it, but they've said so. Yeah, but I really do. The strawberry Bye Bye oil is amazing. The strawberry seed extract or something in it, it's just so nice. You can use it under your moisturiser, you can use it with your foundation. It's really nice. Or you can use it before you put your moisturiser on, after your moisturiser. It's really nice. It's a light oil. I tend to wear oil at night because it can be a bit too because I've got this oily forehead going on, it can be a bit too much for me during the day, but the Bye Bye stuff just absorbs into the skin like a dream. And actually, if you've got a foundation that's quite thick, it thins it down and it just makes the coverage really nice. So anyway, I'm going to go through and show you again what I got. So this was my freebie, the makeup bag. I also got the Kind Natured, the Lime and Mandarin Uplifting Body Wash. The Kind Natured Ginseng and Grapefruit Jelly Face Mask. The Jarlique Supreme Restorative Rich Cream. The Jarlique Rare Rose Gel Cream. Their rose products smell amazing. The Botanics, and it's the Purifying Face Scrub for all skin types. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The Ayumi Neem and Tea Tree Face Cream, which is lovely. It's such a nice brand that I think you can buy it in kind of like Holland and Barrett and shops like that as well. The Polar Night Cream. The Ultraviolet Nail Polish by Beauty UK. And it's actually quite a substantial size as well. Okay, shot if I show anybody else. And the Hall of Fame, which is the Molten Brown Shower Gel and Body Lotion. And it's really nice to have the two of those together as one item. So anyway guys, this was my April picks. And I'm looking forward to seeing what comes out next month. We usually do a wee video on Instagram Live. And then Bryony does a video usually where she goes through the products and she'll tell you an approximate price and cost for things. And there is another person, but they do a blog, so they blog it as well. So I'll, depending on what one's out, I'll probably look at either, I'll always look at Bryony's videos. I watch all of Bryony's videos, but if Bryony's is out first or the blog's out first, I'll check both of them. But it's good to know that actually this is the size and this is the amount. So there was a bath oil this month that was like £38. I missed it, but to be honest with you, I struggled to get out the bath, so I don't need kind of bath oil. I would have used it as a body oil because it was body or bath. So anyway, blethering on here. Thanks very much for joining me, and I'll speak to you soon guys. Bye.